Alrighty. Hey guys, what is up? So, today we're gonna be playing a Roblox game, but basically it's called SCP-294. Now, if you don't know what SCP is, it's basically where they keep creatures in a facility with dangerous entities and all kinds of stuff. Class objects, which is right here. Today we're dealing with SCP-294, which is a class object, which is this coffee machine right here. Now, boys, usually, you would have to insert 50 cents, but yeah, today we're going to be experimenting to see which drinks we can order. So we can do something like this. Water. Nah, we got some water. And there we go, we got a cup of water. But some of these drinks can be dangerous, so we're going to be experimenting to them. Refreshing. Stay hydrated, kids. No, I'm just kidding. Or actually, yes, stay hydrated. Okay, now, now let's do some basic drinks. So let's do some cola. Cup of cola. Let's see. Nice, just a cup of cola. Ooh, fizzy. I can't tell which brand this is though. Now let's try milk. Cup of milk. And what does it look like? Boom, we got some cup of milk. By the way, guys, don't mind the ketchup stain on the floor. That I spilled ketchup there during my lunch break, yeah. Now, if we enter something like this, nuke. Yes, this is so basically what the main purpose of this, you can get any kind of liquid, even though nuke is not a liquid. It just basically blows you up. So now, let's try something like acid. Oop, that says aid. There, acid dispensing. Now let's try acid. Now, you can see, we got a cup of acid. Oh! I feel my mouth and throat burning. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, wait, I'm dying. Oh my, okay. But we should probably clean this up. Oh, why is it kind of dark? Holy smokes, let me heal. Ooh, oh, now, by the way, guys, tomorrow's Flopper Friday. There you go. Bad janitor, lol. Excuse me. That's not very nice. Now, is it? Okay, let's see now. Let's try a cup of sound. Nope, can't do that. Cup of sound does not work. Interesting. So yeah, there are certain drinks that you cannot get. Ooh, let's try a cup of sound. Nope, out of range. What happens when we do Jello? Nope. No, that says Ella. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong thing. Jello. Nope. A cup of Jello. Nope, out of range. Okay. Interesting. Alrighty, bleach. No. Sorry guys, my spelling may be wrong. Nope. Okay, can't do that. Alrighty, interesting. How about Nope, out of range. It's literally liquid, though. Oh, I have an idea. How about we try gasoline?
You should try porta potty liquid.
Okay, Dad, I'm recording. It's alright. But that sounds like a good idea, though. Sorry, guys, my dad. Okay, well, now we got a cup of gasoline. So let's see what this looks like. Cup of gasoline. Let's try it. Don't do this at home, kids. I don't feel so good, Mr. Stark. I don't. Whoa! That almost took half of my health. Holy smokes. Gotta heal up. Ah, that's better. I actually kind of need more, though. I need more. I need more! Oots! Oots! Ah, there you go. That's better. But why is it still saying bad janitor lol? Oh, wait. Oh. This thing's on the floor. Okay, there. Now that's cleaned up. Let's heal ourselves again. So that way we get full health. Ah, that's better. Alright, now let's throw away this empty cup. Now, let's try a cup of coffee. Coffee. Nice. Oh wait, no, I'm done. Okay. Coffee. What happens when we drink this cup of coffee? I feel energized. Nice. Oh, I have an idea. Alright, let's try Red Bull. Red Bull. Maybe I don't have to put spaces together. Oh, actually, maybe there is no space. Red Bull. Nope, still out of range. Okay. Oh, okay, so it just can't be brand. Cup of energy drink. What does this look like? Why is it yellow? Oh, I guess it is. Alright, let's drink this. I'm feeling energized. Just literally the same line from coffee. Okay. Oh, makes you faster. Oh, yeah, also these drinks could have effects on you. There it is. Alright, so yeah. The drinks could have effect on you, but I don't know how long they would last. Gosh, my big head is in the way. Oh, let's see. Oh, I have an idea. Toilet. Let's try toilet water. Yeah, we got some toilet water, boys. Alright, will this kill me? I don't know what to say. Let's heal. Okay, so it does kill you? Or it takes some of your health? Alright, now my health is fully full. Alright, and also guys, leave your comments down below to see what drinks that I could try next. Alrighty, so, let's see. Oh, I have an idea. Okay, no. What is... Okay, nope. Can't dispense that. Oh, I have an idea. Ink. How about some good old-fashioned ink? Cup of ink. This probably will give me poisoning from this. Excuse me. Ew. Okay, so it doesn't take damage. Now let's try this. Blood. of blood. The drink tastes like metal, not a fan. Metal? Oh. Okay, I only took not a bad of a health. Okay, let's see. Nope. Oil. Motor oil. Okay, maybe let's try just oil. Let's try just oil. Nope, okay. Alrighty. Let's try one more drink. How about some apple juice? Apple juice. It's literally a liquid. Why, oh, does it, wait. Why means we just put apple? Let's try this. Poop. You, okay, I put too many O's in there. Let's try poop. Yeah. Ew, what the heck? Ugh, it's like chunky. I'm not drinking that. It doesn't allow you to drink it. Okay. Alright, we'll try one more drink. Nope. Oh, wait. What if we do random? No, okay, we can't do a mystery drink. What if we just do a random drink? Nope. Someone is using this up. Okay, let me see. What else can I do? How about hot dog water? How about SCP? How about SCP? Okay, no. How about a cup of apple juice? Dang it, can't even do anything. Oh wait, what if we just put in juice? Juice. What? Grape juice. Grape. No, okay. You know what? Forget it. Oh wait, what about Gatorade? But what the heck? Uh. Hmm. Let's see. When do we put? Let's try some water. Okay, we'll just drink water for now. I feel like we had enough drinks from this today. Well, guys, there you have it. That is the experiment. We have officially experiment SCP-294, and make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, peace out.